In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and sticky notes to a Teams meeting whiteboard. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by joining your Teams meeting and locating the meeting controls at the top or bottom of the window. Look for the share icon, the little arrow pointing up, and click it to open the sharing options. This is the control that lets you present content to everyone in the meeting, and in this case, you'll choose the collaborative whiteboard. In the Share Content tray that appears, select Microsoft Whiteboard. The whiteboard opens inside the meeting so everyone can see and interact with it in real time. Give the canvas a moment to load. If attendees are joining from different devices, changes may take a second to sync, but once it's active, you'll have a blank space to capture ideas. When the whiteboard is open, scan the left side of the canvas for the Create bar or the toolbar. You'll often see a plus icon that indicates where new items can be added. This toolbar contains the tools you'll use for sticky notes, text, pens, and other elements. Familiarizing yourself with its position makes it quicker to add content during a live discussion. To add a sticky note, click the sticky note icon on that toolbar. If you prefer, you can right-click anywhere on the board and select Insert Note from the context menu. A sticky note will appear on the canvas. Type your content directly into it. Sticky notes are great for quick ideas, prompts, or action items that you want the group to see at a glance. To add plain text, choose the text tool by clicking the text icon labeled with a T. Click on the canvas where you want the text to appear and start typing. Text boxes are useful for longer explanations or labels that need precise placement. Editing and formatting are simple. Click on the sticky note or the text box to reveal the context menu with options like changing color, deleting an object, or resizing text. Use color choices to group related items or to prioritize tasks visually. If you need to change the size of the text, look for handles or a text size option in the menu. Moving items is intuitive. Click and drag any sticky note or text box to reposition it on the collaborative canvas. This lets you organize ideas, cluster topics, or create a flow that makes sense for everyone in the meeting. Finally, remember to save or capture the whiteboard content after the meeting if you want to keep it. That wraps up how to add and manage text and sticky notes on a Teams meeting whiteboard. Thanks for watching.